Welcome to the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Tournament of Titans. This is the Bowling Bash. Well, you already seen the difference. We have a new monster truck track with a loop. It looks electric, isn't it? So today, we have 10 monster trucks that will participate in a Bowling Bash. You ready?
Yeah!
Alright, so let's start with the first monster truck. Our Daredevil Hotshot, Race Ace. But first we need to turn a lever to power up the loop and place a monster truck at the right place. The rule of this game is to whoever bashes the most pins down will be the winner. Are you ready for this, Race Ace? Challenge accepted. Good. So 3, 2, 1, go big, go Hot Wheels! Oh, try again. 3 pins! Not bad for Race Ace, eh? I could take down more than that. Bone Shaker. Let me at him! I'm gonna smash all of them to pieces. Go big, go Hot Wheels! Thrash and smash! Again, thrash and smash! Amazing! Bone Shaker takes the lead with 5 pins down. Yeah! Thrash and smash! Find me. What was that? Tiger Shark. Get ready, Tiger Shark. This is going to be electric. You mean awesome? Fear the frenzy! Looks like Tiger Shark goes home with 0 pins.
What? Come on, give me another try.
Okay.
Yeah! Haha! Oh.
Let's give Tiger Shark a second chance, but no more third chances. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Fear the frenzy! Well, no pins for you.
Aw, fish sticks.
5 alarm. Get ready, 5e, cause it's going to be fire.
Yeah, like bringing the heat.
3, go big, go Hot Wheels.
Ow.
Let's try again.
Woohoo!
Well, looks like she took down 3 pins. Congratulations.
Yeah, bringing the heat.
Night Shifter. Will Night Shifter bring it? Or will break a camshaft? Go big, go Hot Wheels. Looks like Night Shifter took down 2 pins.
Not bad. Let's shift it up.
Hot Wheels Racing number 3. Let's see what this monster truck can do. Go big, go Hot Wheels. 0. Second attempt. 0 again? Well, no third chances for you, buddy.
Ah, shucks.
To windmill. Let's see what this hot rod can do. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Go. 4 pins in total, beating 5 monster trucks in total. Well, double trouble. Totaled. Oh boy, you look really wrecked. Thanks, man. I used to be like that. Alright then. So go big, go Hot Wheels. Looks like this total really love to crush cars and taking down pins. That's what they call me, totaled. V8 Bomber. The true return of the classic. Silver pickup with a military personality. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Bombs away! Boom! VA Bomber strikes.
It wasn't a strike though, but it was 5. That's enough for me. Mission accomplished.
And last but not least, Rhinomite. This Rhino truck has a very short fuse and ready to explode the competition. Yeah, let's do this! Alright, so go big, go Hot Wheels. Boom, 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 boom! 4 pins knocked down. Good job, Rhinomite. At least you explode something.
That is not all. But I'll take it anyway.
Looks like 2 monster trucks had the same point each. Tiger Shark and Racing number 3 had 0. Night Shifter totaled in 2. Rice Ace and 5 Alarm in 3. Twin Mill and Rhinomite in 4. And Bone Shaker and VA Bomber in total 5 pins taken down. That means we have final 2. Bone Shaker versus VA Bomber. Bone Shaker comes first. Oh yeah! Go big, go Hot Wheels. Thrash and smash! Awesome! Bone Shaker was knocking down 5 pins. Amazing, Bone Shaker. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Find me. What? The second finalist in the bowling bash is VA Bomber. Will he explode the competition, or Bone Shaker will take the dominance? Go big, go Hot Wheels. Bombs away! Whoa! Looks like VA Bomber had taken down 4 pins, but never enough to beat Bone Shaker.
Ah, smokes! I can't believe it! Huh? Well, looks like I've taken down a spare. But I know it doesn't count. Well, I have to go back to my boot camp.
Well, Bone Shaker, you have done it again. You have won another Champions Cup. So what do you say? Well, I like to say I'm really good at bowling. I experienced it a lot. Well, I didn't make any strikes, but it was a fun game, especially for Rhinomite as well. Gah! Haha, that's what I'm talking about. Rhino Strike! Well, at least I invented that name. Well, you see what I mean? Bowling is a fun game for everyone. Even for Bone Shaker. You're right, Bone Shaker. This bowling game is for everyone. So, that's it for today. And I'll see you in another Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Tournament of Titans. Thrash and smash!